What's going on, traders? Welcome back to the channel. This week has been, or this day I should say, not week, has been pretty slow. And again, it's Monday. We were in range, and again, it's to be expected. And I was mentally prepared for that going into the Monday. Usually I get excited about Mondays. This time I said to myself, hold your horses. And sure enough, it was a range day, and I was very patient, and I was trying not to force anything. But I'm up a couple $100 on the eval, and of course the PA. I haven't been trading PA last week because I wasn't really trading last week at all. Had some personal issues to take care of. But I'm back, and I'm trying to again build this account slowly but surely. As you may or may not know, Bullnox requires you to have a safety net, and on top of that, a minimum withdrawal, which is $1,000. So your safety net is $1,600, and your withdrawal minimum amount is $1,000. So you gotta have $2,600 in your account before you actually request a withdrawal. So it's definitely a process. This takes time. I don't want to just YOLO and just whatever. But blue sky is looking okay. I did have a loser last week. And I had to call it a day because I was getting closer to $600, and I don't want to fail that evaluation again. And real quick, the 90% off ends tonight for Bullnox. I'm sure they're gonna have another sale next week or maybe the following week. But if you want to pick some up, please do so. It ends tonight at midnight. Let's talk about the price action. Again, it was slow, choppy. Range price, which I don't really like. Again, I had to be patient. I took a short here, and not exactly the best setup. You have a break and you lower it in place, basically 2 legs down, and you have a basically break, and we did not make a new high. We have this kind of like this sidebar, whatever this is, choppiness here, and I was a little risky. I did get 3.25 points out of this trade though, and since we failed to make a new high, I figured we might go low to the overnight lows. We did try twice, first time, second time, and we failed to test the lows, so we reversed. So this was on the PA, so 150 on here, and then I don't really see anything else that I would want to trade here. Maybe I mean, I don't know if I consider this a triple test. Maybe this triple test for scalp it will work, but again, you do have a break new high already in place. So maybe I didn't trade this. I just, because I don't like this choppy area. This area right here is super choppy, which I'll show you right here. All this right here, I don't like any of this. And to be fair, you could technically trade this as a failed breakout, and you are shorting technically from the top of the range, so technically it's, by context, it's a good trade. But I didn't like this choppiness. I don't like this sideways stuff. I don't know what's happening, so I left it alone. Would have worked really nicely, but then price reversed again, and at the time I actually had my overnight highs like this. So when the price failed to break this level, right, that's when I adjusted my range to this. So I was looking to kind of go short here. There's a lower high here. Again, it's just, I don't know, it's just congested. I don't like the signal bar. EMA doesn't really matter too much in the range. It is kind of flat though. So I decided to skip it. And then we do have a micro trend channel working down, break, and we failed to retest the lows because we have this midline here. And then we go up again. We basically try to go higher once, twice, and 3 times. It's not like a triple test type of thing, but you can clearly see that we failing to break that level right here. So that kind of tells me something. And I decided to take a short here as a lower high. Again, signal bar is not perfect, but again, sometimes you have to take the risk. If the market's not giving you perfect signal bars, and won't always give you perfect signal bars, but sometimes you gotta take what you can get. So And honestly speaking, you know, I'm going short to the middle line as well. So, and I was very kind of hesitant, but given the context, I had a really good feeling that we were in a range, and I feel like we failed to break this range here, break range high. I figured we might test the range lows, and that's exactly what happened. And I got 6 points out of this trade. Actually, almost 7 points. So, I was thinking about targeting the overnight lows, which we did hit, and then some up, of course. But I was kind of playing off of this swing low right here. That's what I was playing at. I was front running it, so one tick away from that swing low. So that's what I was thinking. That was my thought process, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now I don't know what happened here. Price just took off and went straight down, and then that's reversing straight back up. So there's a higher low here. I do like this channel, but I think the thing here is, I think this is gonna be your channel. You have a break and then a new low. So it's kind of weird. It's weird. It's difficult. Maybe somewhere there's a break here. Maybe you can consider this a break of channel. To me, that doesn't look like a break. So, I mean, it looks like a break, but to me, it's not convincing. But then again, I don't know. I still like this channel right here. I think this one looks pretty good as well. So maybe even tighter, maybe something like this. That looks good too. So again, it's just difficult to tell, and you know, sometimes price does not retest the lows. Okay, that doesn't always have to follow price action rules, but it is what it is. You do get a failure here, so you have new low, first entry, second entry, short failure. Didn't start the quite how I like it. I want it to be above the EMA. That'd be the perfect kind of like the failure, so to speak, right? Reversal. Higher low here. I don't know if I would have went long here. This, in my opinion, this trade right here would have been better than this trade, in my opinion. And now we'll go back to into range, and that's pretty much it, honestly. It's been a long day for me. I usually don't trade after 11 o'clock, but I decided to take a break between was it like 10 and basically 12:30, and came back and caught 6 points, 7 points, and I'm chilling. So yeah, that's all I got, really, honestly. Like I said before, coupon expires tonight at midnight. Pick some up, please, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.